evening and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra, and welcome. And you know, when you see my niece here, Kayla, who's now 10 years old, she's a double digiter now. When you see Kayla, you know what time it is, don't you? You know that it's time for, oh god, this one's heavy. It's time for Degustabox. So what is Degustabox? Degustabox is a monthly subscription box. It's a box that's filled with snacks and treats and store cupboard ingredients. You get about 8 to 10 items inside the box. It costs £12.99 for the box each month. But I do have a referral code down below, so it's a little discount code down below. And if you use my discount code, you'll get £5 off your first box. So your first box you'll get for £7.99. What do I get for it? So I don't get paid for the box, but what I do get is that if people sign up for it, I get credit towards a free box. So it all helps, you know what I mean? It all helps. Right, shall we go? Shall we start? Let's have a look and see what we've got in here. This box looks full, isn't it? Okay, so you take out the first things and I'll just have a look at the leaflet. So we've got a leaflet here from Warm Up with Proper Porridge from Oma. I don't like porridge. I absolutely hate porridge. I try so hard to try and like porridge. I just don't. I know it's supposed to be good for your, what is it, gluten in, I don't know, all of that stuff. I just don't like porridge.
It's nice.
You don't like it either? No. I used to be able to eat ready brick when I was a kid, but even that was a struggle, but not for me now. No. Then we've got the Degustabox Cold is going to be coming out again soon. So the Degustabox is where you've got loads of cold drinks in there. So things that are normally perishable and we don't get inside these boxes. So this is winter just got a whole lot cooler with Degustabox, and it's the limited edition cold box. And you can get it for £16.99, I think it says there. So yeah, so that's going to be available. And then there we go. We've got our theme. We've got our card. So the theme this month is breakfast and brunch. Right, let's go, Kayla. Oh, I've just seen something that you're going to like. That's grabbed your attention straight away. Okay, do you want to hold that up? That's from Swizzles. I have to admit, I like Swizzles as well. I like the Parma Violets and that lollipop, the kind of dual lollipop. Anyway, this is Swizzles Scrumptious Sweets, £1.90. So thanks to the reformulation of their classic drumstick lolly, Swizzles have now added scrumptious sweets to their already extensive vegan range. Scrumptious Sweets is a great variety pack offering excellent value with an assortment of family favourite sweets. There's something for all the family, even those following a vegan diet. Okay, we need to open that up, Kayla. It's £1.90. Do you want to open it? See what's in there? See if they've got any of our favourites in there.
My favourite's this one.
Is that one? You like the drumstick? Okay, all right. You want to open it? See if there's one in there? Because they've just talked about it, so there better be a drumstick in there. Can you open it?
I'm doing it, but in my pot.
I don't do that, mate. I just do it like that.
I tried like that, but I couldn't do it.
Right, is there a drumstick in there? Yeah. Yay, okay. Have they got the other ones in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. That's the one I normally like. I know, I'm too old for this, but I do like these. I might be 54, but I don't care. Right, so that's a good start. All right, should I take out the next thing then? The next thing is mayonnaise. Okay, you know what? I forgot to buy mayonnaise this week, so this is handy. So this is Hellmann's Vegan Mayonnaise, and it's £2.60. Hellmann's Vegan Mayonnaise may be the best mayo ever. No yolk, just try it. No yolk. Get it? No yolk. £2.60. It's available at Tesco, Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Asda, Waitrose, Ocado, and Co-op. Okay, so that's all good.
I like the pun. It's really funny.
Oh, you understood it. Okay, this will go down great. This will go down wonderful with Gabby. Fantastic. This is Dorset cereals. Oh, I'm so good. It's just a straight up fruity muesli. Oh, that's good. Dorset cereals, they're really nice. They are expensive, but they're really nice cereals. Simply Delicious muesli, or you got Simply Fruity muesli, or you got Simply Nutty muesli. So I'm glad they didn't send a nutty, because then it wouldn't be eaten. These are £3.39. So Dorset cereals, simple, Simply Mueslis are made with juicy fruits and crunchy nuts for a delicious breakfast with more goodness and more pleasure. All high in fibre and vegan. You should receive 1 of 3 in your box. Available at Tesco, Asda, Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Waitrose, Ocado, and on Amazon. So this is the fruity one, and it's got tropical papaya and sweet pineapple in there. That will get eaten. Oh, and please, so that's good. We've got a good start. We've got 3 out of 3 so far. You're all happy with that? That's all good. Okay, this is interesting. Gabby might eat these. This is Ryvita Fruit Crunch, £1.99. Say bye to boring snack times and have a sweet snack worth sinking your teeth into. Our Ryvita Fruit Crunch is a Moorish sweet treat, perfect with lashes of chocolate spread, yuck, or drizzled with yogurt or honey. Gabby might, I don't know. Whichever way you choose it, just remember to stack it and snack it. Okay, £1.99. Oh, that's Stuart going. His taxi's probably arriving. Okay, so that's good. I might even try these. I used to try and eat Ryvita when I was sort of trying to do calorie control diets, but it just tastes like crap. I couldn't eat the stuff, man. It's horrible. Couldn't eat it at all. Right, what we got here? Oh, I should say it's my daughter's 22nd birthday today. She's 22. I have got a 22-year-old. Oh, yes. I'm still getting over it, even though the day's nearly done. Right, these are onion rings. This is mine. No one's touching these. These are mine. Oh, I love onion rings. Okay, got any information on it? Oh yes, I have. Human Nature Foods. So you've got either hot jalapeno and lime flavour lentil sticks, smoky barbecue flavour, pea rings, caramelized onion rings, flavoured rings, pea rings. Hey?
Ew.
Caramelized onion flavour pea rings. Okay.
Ew.
These are, okay, sounds good to me. So it's £2. So our plant-based snacks are good for you as they contain 13 grams of protein and they are good for the planet as with every pack we plant a tree. Our crispy caramelized flavoured pea rings are made with a melody of peas, caramelized onion, paprika and other tasty spices. Our smoky barbecue flavoured pea rings are crafted with a mix of peas, onions, chipotle, tomatoes and natural seasonings. Our flavouring hot lentil sticks are made with red lentils, onions, lemon spices and red jalapenos that will sizzle your taste buds. I can't read. Right, so these are £2. They actually sound quite interesting. You should receive 1 of 3 items in your box, and these are available on view on the website Human Nature Foods. Okay, so it's not available in stores as yet, but it's humannaturefood.com you can buy them from. I'm looking forward to trying that with a bottle of cider later on. Go on then. We've got these sections here. They don't normally section it like that, don't they?
I see it before.
Oh, we got a pot noodle. Oh no, it's not. It's just the porridge. This is the porridge. Yeah. Excuse me, let me choke. This is the Mama almond butter and salted caramel porridge pot. Even with the salted caramel, they're not going to make me taste this. £1.15. Mama's almond butter and salted caramel porridge pots are perfect for an indulgent vegan and gluten-free breakfast on the go. Made with their signature blend of British jumbo oats, simply add hot water, stir, wait 3 to 5 minutes and enjoy. Available at Waitrose, Tesco's, Ocado and at Amazon and mamafoods.co.uk. You right there?
I'm hiccuping a lot.
You're hiccuping? Oh. Okay. Right, on then. Come on, you're supposed to be doing this. What's that? What's that? Hip chocolate. Okay. Hip chocolate. Salted caramel mini bar. £1.50. For this. Hip chocolate was born out of a desire to eat high quality, tasty, creamy vegan chocolate produced in an ethical and planet friendly way without compromising on taste. Our salted caramel mini is a modern day classic, delicious creamy oat milk chocolate with sea salt and caramel. A 70-gram bar is available at Sainsbury's. So, I think the full 70-gram bar it'd be £1.50. That's what I'm assuming, because this is only 25 grams and this certainly cannot be £1.50. So it must be the 70-gram bar. Okay. It's salted caramel. You going there, Stuart?
Yep, I'm going.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Have a lovely day, all of you.
Okay. Thank you for coming. We'll see you next week.
Is that including my tablet?
Right. You got your phone? You got your wallet?
Yeah, I've got everything.
You got your tablet?
I have a lovely day. Have all of you have a great time. I hope to never see you again. Goodbye.
I love you. Love you.
Okay, what's this? Oh, we've got some more Mama Oat here. So this is from Mama Barista Oat Drink. Oh, Gabby might have this. £1.90. Mama's carefully crafted oats drink pairs perfectly with coffee. Made in the UK with British oats, this award-winning oat drink is not from concentrate, fully foamable and non-splitting. Oh, okay. Mama use only high-quality whole grain oats in their oat drinks and fortify them with calcium, iodine and vitamin D3, B2 and B12. Okay. Available at Sainsbury's, Waitrose, Morrison's, Ocado and on Amazon and mamafoods.co.uk. I think Gabby might like this because she was into the, what's the other brand? Lilt? Is it called Lilt? I think it was. She quite liked that. Then she kind of stopped drinking it and stopped buying it. So I introduced her to this one. Remember that one? Yeah, she used to have that. I'm running out of space here. Let's put that there. Right. What else is there?
That was fun.
I'm expecting 2 more things, or maybe 3. Okay, 3. Okay, this is Fit Bakes Millionaire Caramel Cake. Oh, there's lots of sweet things here. I wouldn't. Yeah, I suppose brunch is the word for these. Yeah, Millionaire Caramel Cakes, 30 grams. This is £1.50. Fluffy vanilla sponge covered with 1 layer of signature sugar-free caramel and milk chocolate. Perfect mid-morning, afternoon snack. It's a source of protein. These high-protein snacks are perfect on-the-go snacks. Low sugar, 90% less sugar. Vegetarian. It's vegetarian. All Fit Baked treats are suitable for vegetarians. Okay, okay. 98 calories for this. Okay, what else we got? We've got my stock cubes. Oh, see, I'm getting out of time with what do you call it, Degustabox now, because I bought some more of these recently. So, but hey ho, will keep me stocked up for a while. So we've got Knorr chicken stock pot, £1.65. What I need is the vegetarian one, but I bought the vegetarian one as well with the chicken. Anyway, Knorr chicken stock pot, £1.65. Treat your taste buds and add an extra boost of chicken flavour to your dishes with Knorr chicken stock pots from the nation's favourite stock brand. They are gluten-free and their delicious, sustainably sourced ingredients simply melt in during cooking. Give it more with Knorr. Available at all major supermarkets. It's cool. And I think this is the last item. And it is bottles. So for everything in this is usable. I think even the Mama porridge will get used, to be honest. I won't have it, but I wouldn't be surprised if Gabby or the other half have it. Okay, this is from Leo. Oh, and it's mangoed ketchup. I think I'll probably have this one. Mangoed ketchup. This is the product of the month. So here we go. Look at that, guys. Product of the month. This is Leon, which is like a chain of stores that kind of do healthy sort of foods. We've got one in Brighton. Very, very good. Very high standard. I used to do the inspections for Leon in Brighton and they're really, really, really good. No issues there at all. The standard is just pucker. Anyway, so this is Leon Tomango ketchup, £2.65. We get a lot of compliments on our breakfast muffins. This Leon ketchup is a big reason why, but it's not just for muffins. Created using cumin, mango and sun-dried tomatoes to make every day an adventure in flavour. Look out for its brand new name, Mangoed Ketchup, in 2023. Well, here we are. Available at Sainsbury's, Ocado and Asda. Okay, so there you go. So it used to be called Tomango, but now it's called Mangoed Ketchup. There you go. And that's it. That's our box. I think that's a good box this month. We like this box, don't we? I think the only dodgy product is this, but even then it's not that dodgy. I know, it's like because it's porridge. But I think it will. I think my husband will probably eat these, to be honest. But yeah, that is good. That's a good box. We like? Mucho gusto? Degustabox have done it again, so that's good. So it's $12.99 a month. As I said, I've got a discount code down below, so if you want to use the discount code, get your first box for £5 off, $7.99. All right, guys, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. All right, we'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.